Hey folks, this is Joe here. Hey, got a couple things here. Crimson 3.2 or just Crimson in general that sometimes it won't show up or the font is really small in Crimson. So let me show you the first fix for when you got Crimson open, but you can't find it. And you can see it down here in the taskbar, but you can click on it and it doesn't show up and you're trying to figure out where is it and so forth. And for some reason in Windows, there seems to be a small bug where it shows off on another monitor or something, even though you might not have dual monitors, and Crimson or Windows thinks there's another monitor and it puts it over there and you can't find it. So here's trick number one to that situation. So if you go down here to your taskbar and you hover over this, and hopefully you see a little icon of Crimson, which I think you will. If you go to the top of this, and if you right click on the top in the background or wherever this little pop-up shows up, there's a button called Move. And if you click on Move and then use your left and right arrows, eventually you'll be able to find Crimson coming off another screen or something that's not actually on your laptop or whatever. I've actually had this happen on mine. So that's the trick to that. And then you can put it here and you can make it full screen, and then Crimson should open from that point on in the screen as normal. But if it doesn't, that's the trick. Let me just do that one more time. I'll move that guy out of view. And maybe I won't. Let me do it again here. I don't want to do that, you piece of crap. Let me put it over here so it's out of view. So again, the trick is you go down here to the taskbar, you just hover. I haven't clicked on anything, you just hover over this thing, and then it shows this little pop-up. If you go to the top of this little pop-up and right-click there, and then like I said, somewhere in the background, click on Move, and then just use your up and down or left and right arrows, mostly your left and right arrows, and you'll bring it into view, and then you can make it full screen from there. And then that should fix that problem. Now, here's the other situation people have with Crimson. I've seen this happen where you open a database from somebody, and for some reason, Crimson will open and all the fonts are really small. I don't know why it does this, but you'll see sometimes where all the font and everything is really small, particularly on the left and right side of Crimson. There's just everything's really small, which is weird. So to fix that little problem, you go down here again to this little taskbar thing, but this time down here on your icon, I want you down here to right click. The previous one you clicked on the pop-up, but this time down here on the thing here, you right click on that, and then you see here where it says shell application. If you right click on shell application and then go to properties, and on properties, if you go to, I believe it's the compatibility section here, go to compatibility, and then down here, let's see here. No, it's not that one. Is it that one? No. What I do is I do change high DPI settings, click this change high DPI settings, and then I check both of these buttons here. They're already checked on mine, but check this user here, this one here, override, click OK, click apply, and then OK, and then I have people close Crimson and reopen it. When you reopen it, the fonts should be much bigger, as they normally should be. So that little trick is to adjust the fonts. Again, that little trick is to hover down here on the taskbar, right-click on the Crimson icon where it says Shell Application, right-click on the Shell Application, go to Properties, then click the Compatibility tab, and on Compatibility, click Change High DPI Settings here, and I check, like I said, both of these buttons here, Program DPI and High DPI Override, click OK, click Apply, and then click OK, and then I close Crimson, reopen it, and that fixes it. Anyway, those are just a couple things that I wanted to address in a quick little video. Hey, thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day.